don't plant annuals. Annuals are a waste of money. If you want a happy wife and a happy life, plant perennials instead. Perennials come back every year like these daffodils, or tulips, irises, lilies. Do you want to give your wife bouquets for life? If you think of planting flowers like investing in the stock market, perennials are like the S&P 500. They keep coming back every year and multiplying. We planted these perennials last year. Many of the other ones that will be blooming soon, we planted years ago. Remember, different perennials bloom at different times of years, so make sure you get a variety of different perennials. Like tulips and daffodils bloom in early spring. Lilies bloom in summer. So here's your perennial planting plan. Find a spot as large as you can dedicate. Dig a hole as recommended as deep as possible for the perennial plant. Plant your bulbs, rhizomes, or full-size plants from your local gardening store like these ones. And do it every single year. Call me in 3 years when you can't get your wife's hands off you. You're welcome.